Well, fair enough.
Wait. I'm gonna jump.
Yeah, I got that.
I'm serious, man. I got nothing to live for.
No arguments here. Go for it.
Don't you want to try to talk me out of it?
I really don't. The debate's almost on, and I'm 90% sure Trump's gonna say the C word, so I'm sure you understand. Good luck with all of that.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Trump might say
Hey, whoa, don't say you can't say cunt is a tough word to say. Only Trump can say all right? I'm thinking about it right now, and I agree with you. You don't have a lot left to live for, so I just say jump. You know, Trump would tell you to jump. Hillary would not care either way.
What about my wife, Karen?
What about your wife? All she does is talk about what a depressed dick you are when she's at lunch with my wife on Wednesdays.
My kids, though, I got Billy and Sally and the one whose name I always forget. It's got a lazy eye. It's super weird looking.
Oh, don't get me started on those kids, man. God, they call the guy at work who refills the vending machines Dad.
They call me Ricardo.
That's not even your real name. All right, just do it. But do Jose a favor and jump as close to that drain out there as you can so he can just wash that out with a hose as soon as possible. And he's only got a job for a couple more weeks until Trump's elected. He's climbing in the polls again, so let's get this done.
You're right.
Yeah.
I have to stay alive so that I can see Trump say
That is not what I'm saying. I'm saying jump. Trump 2016.
Yeah, I'm gonna stay alive.
No.
And I'm gonna make things better with my wife. And I'm gonna grab her by the pussy and I'm gonna force her to kiss me.
Do not do Trump voice. Nobody likes it when you do Trump voice. All right? Just get it over with.
Right, I have so much to live for. Trump might say
You are not listening to me at all. That's not what I'm...
Thank you, Brian. 2016.
No, my name is Tony. God, you are such a Yeah, hey, it's me. Your husband's gonna be home in like 15 minutes. Yeah, we'll just screw later when my wife goes to bed, all right? She drinks during the debate, so she'll be out by like 9:30. Call it 9:45. I'll see you there. That asshole's probably gonna vote for Hillary, too.
This comedy sketch brought to you by Ashworth Films. With Katie Walker, TP, Tony is the lead actor, and myself, Landon Ashworth. Please click subscribe so that we can bring you more sketches. Click any of these videos to watch more. Goodbye!